And this one is titled, Height has announced another Persona-themed PC gaming case, and as a Persona diehard, the author of this thinks it's a little bit much. And it says down here, PC case and accessory manufacturer Height ran a limited run of Persona 3 Reload cases last year, which promptly sold out on the official site, though you can still pick one up from retailers. Now, a year later, a follow-up Persona 3 Reload Y70 case has just been announced, and as expected, its aesthetic is pretty loud. So the author, James Bentley, put this article together and has a picture of it, and the deck statement says the keycaps are gorgeous. All right, but this case is a little bit overwhelming. But if you're
it's not subtle.
No, but if you're into Persona, then you pretty much know what it is. It's referred to as a JRPG, Japanese RPG.